What's up guys? Today we're working on 09 Nissan Altima. The customer complained the vehicle has a check engine light came on and the engine taking a lot of power. So let's confirm the customer complaint, and as you can see all the light there with the key on seem to be good. So let's read the code and run the engine, confirm the customer complaint and see what's going on. Let me start the engine. So as you can see, the engine sound right now like and as you can see the RPM is, see the RPM right there. Yeah, seem into mid-fire, or look like, for me it look like not that mid-fire, but anyway we run the code and see what's going on. Okay guys, here's the scan tool already hooked on, ready to read the code. So as you can see right now, the vehicle has a 300 coils, more than one cylinder mid-fire. Keep in mind that more than one cylinder mid-fire, guys, like I would like to do on the Nissan software in mid-fire count on in the data stream is in the special function. Let's see. Okay, here guys, the mid-fire real time, mid-fire in the pack. Okay, let me see. I picked the mid-fire in the past. Engine idle, gear position, part or neutral, and start the engine first. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay, so as you can see right there, cylinder number 1 is 1, and cylinder number 2 is 1200 something, and cylinder number 4 also. Let's go back, count on the real time. As you can see, cylinder number 2 at the real time it counted at 486, but I don't know why it's stuck like that. The Nissan software seems to be stuck. I don't know. It's right now, as you can see, the engine still shaking, vibration, but the real time is still at 360. Okay, anyway, what I would like to do, go under the hood and because no counting up here, and we do some test over there under the hood. Okay guys, the engine is still running right now. What I would like to do, first thing, we remove the engine cover. So I want to do this. As you guys can see, the engine shaking now. Look like a that mid-fire. Let me go ahead one by one, start from cylinder number 4 and see what we, yeah. When I took the coil number 4 off, the engine seems to be like to stall. And what about number 3? Yeah. Why this coil pop up like that? Let me put it back. Yeah. Okay. As you can see in the data here, somehow it's still stuck on like 360 and then never changed with the engine running. But anyway, number 2 on the data it say more misfire than the other. When I lift the coil number 2 up about this much, it's not change the engine RPM. It look like this, but I heard the spark. Oh man, as you can see. Okay guys, look like cylinder number 2. I found the problem here. I don't know the camera angle you can see. Yeah, the spark is everywhere. It's stuck out from there, guys. Okay, let's check it out. Let me get the camera closer to the coil cylinder number 2. You guys can see what's going on here. Yeah, let me lift up again. As you can see, the engine RPM no change. You can see now. Sit down everywhere. Keep in mind that guys, this car has cylinder coil number 2. Here I will put it back, okay? Because the sparks jumping now. Let's see. As you can see here on the coil right here, the sparks is popping out right here and seem to be but anyway, I don't need to see inside. But keep in mind, this engine has a P0300 coil. That means something else caused more than one cylinder misfire. Let's see on number 1 coil. Oh shit, man! Look at this guy. Oil valve cover seal. Okay, anyway, we cannot see anymore on this, but on the real time we see only one coil on the cylinder number 1. More on number 4. Oh, same shit. Same shit. But look at that. Oh man. Cylinder number 1, number 3. All the same. but it's oil. Okay, on the misfire in the pack, I see some more on number 4, but anyway, it seemed good to me. Okay, so what we would like to do here, this may be chuck. Yeah. Okay. I got this light to the video because I use the impact to tight the spark plug. But you guys keep in mind that when you do something, you have to know what you should do. Okay. Okay, as you can see, the spark plug system is super old. You see the gap is already open, and anyway, look like I just take 2 spark plugs from number 2 and number 4 because it's dry, and number 1, number 3 is flood of oil, and I don't want to take it out in the video, but we change them anyway. As you can see, the spark plug condition on number 4 and number 2 is too much, it seems. Let me measure. As you can see, the spark plug, when it gets old, the resistance of the spark plug is already changed. Maybe too much resistance now, and we don't need to measure that. But as you can see, the gap right now is go up to 45, but we don't know exactly what the gap measure on this measurement. Maybe 30, 32 maybe. You can see right here, it's up to 45. Okay, anyway, the car has a random misfire, and the engine shaking like that misfire because of that coil here on cylinder number 2, and no firing at all. But I don't know why the computer doesn't set the cylinder number 2 misfire also P0300, because the spark plug is too old. We need to change them, and one spark plug, one ignition coil for cylinder number 2. That's it, guys. Quick check on the engine, on the car engine misfire. When the data is real-time counting, it doesn't tell me exactly, like you guys can see in the video. Cylinder number 2 is stuck at 360 time counting, and stuck there until the end of the day. Okay. Anyway, we have to quick check like that, and to see if you guys don't pay attention. Oh yeah, number 2, take it out. You think the coil is good, and you put new spark plug in with the old coil, and the problem is still here. Okay. Okay, anyway, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.